So a lot of the evolution of what we're seeing in the warfighter space has a lot to do with robotics, specifically drones, and counter-drone technologies. One of the best ways to counter those threats is with either a strong offense or a strong defense. We are trying to enable the warfighter to have better situational awareness at the edge.
Right now we utilize this a lot with our tactical edition for special operation missions, but now we're starting to see this being moved down to the big Army, Navy, Air Force.
So this year at SOF Week, we've launched an 8-inch rugged tablet, the Tab Active 5, as part of our Tactical Edition Solutions Suite to enable better drone control and higher fidelity for situational awareness.
Dual Ethernet, dual VPN, stealth mode, and now we've incorporated that into a tactical tablet that's not only rugged, but it's also TAA compliant. So it's meeting multiple needs of the federal government.
So it's top of mind right now really comes to warfighter safety, battlefield efficiency, just-in-time resupply, all the things that we've built the Tactical Edition solutions for situational awareness to really support at its core.
The number one thing that we do is we listen to the voice of customers and they dictate what solutions that we're going to develop.